In Switzerland, we introduced the debt brake in 2005. And the result of this debt brake is that the public debt didn't rise, but it was reduced. So we are in a very good position compared with other European countries. And the instrument is quite simple. In the constitution of the Swiss Confederation, it is fixed that over an economic phase of recession and good economic development, the public accounts must be in balance. So no surplus and no deficit. And I think Switzerland was in the past 10 years quite successful with this instrument.